Hello and welcome to OBS Setup and Stream, your easy guide to OBS Studio for crafters. I'm Anthony Minnis from Mixed Media. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the scroll tool within OBS Studio. This is a really handy tool that will enable you to scroll text across the bottom or anywhere on your screen. If you like the contents of this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and click on the notifications button. This will allow you to be notified of all brand new content that I upload to my YouTube channel. Right, so let's dive into OBS Studio and get this scroll tool working. Right, the first thing we're going to do is to create ourselves a brand new scene. So we're going to click on the plus on there and we are going to name this scene scrolling text. Click OK to confirm that, and then we want to go down to the sources, click on the plus button there, and we're going to go up to text. This will bring up this window here. So again, we're going to name this one and we're going to put 10% discount. This is just like a description of what the text is going to be. Click OK to confirm that one. This will now bring up the text window, and in the text box there you can actually start to type whatever message that you want to get across to your viewers whilst you're streaming. Like I say, the scrolling tool is a really handy tool. You can have it looping constantly, so whilst you're demonstrating or doing whatever else you're going to be doing, there will always be a message scrolling on your screen so your viewers can see it. In this case we're just going to put get 10% discount from our website when you use code ANTS10 at the checkout. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to then change the font size, because at the moment it's way too big. We're also going to change the actual font itself. I find that on a 1280 format screen it's going to be about 36, and that's quite a good size, but you can adjust it to whatever size you think is going to be readable for your resolution. Then we're going to go scrolling down and we're just going to change the coloured background. Now, like we did before, just select the colour. So we're going to go for that vibrant pink that is in the Mixed Media logo. Once you've found the colour, you can click OK. We're just going to change the opacity to 100 so it's a solid colour, and we're going to click OK. Right, so now we're going to just position that using our arrow keys and our mouse, and then once we're happy with the position, we're then going to click on filters. Okay, so click on filters, then click on the plus, and then just go to scroll. If you should so wish, you can rename the filter, but it's scroll, so we're going to keep it as is. We're going to change the horizontal speed, so the higher the number, the faster the text will scroll. And you can also then change the vertical speed if you so wish, but we're just going to go for horizontal. We're going to change the width to 1280, which is the resolution of our screen, the width. We've clicked on the loop there, and then we're just going to go down and we're going to add an image. So we're going to click on the sources, up to image, and then we're going to add an existing image. So just click on add existing, then find the logo, which is logo, click OK. I'm going to rescale that accordingly. Please check another video on how to rescale the images. And then we're just going to drag that and use the arrow key just to fine tune the overall position. The next thing we're going to do is click on the text, so you've got the red box around that. I'm using the Alt key and I'm just dragging in the central red square there just to crop it, and once again I'm just going to use my arrow keys to position the text exactly where I want it. So we're going to be using this scene within another, so click on our test scene. We're going to go down to the sources, click on plus, go to scene, and then we're going to add an existing scene. So in the case of this, we want to find scrolling text. Click on that one, click OK, and hey presto, there it is within the test scene. Now we want the scrolling text to fade onto our screen, so we're going to go down to the source name. We're going to right click on it to bring up the menu. We're going to scroll up to show transition, go fade, right click on it again, go hide transition, and go fade as well. And then what we need to do is go to our settings, click on the settings key, and then go to the settings and go to hot keys, and then you want to find that particular scene which is just there, which is our test one, and then you just want to show scrolling text and hide scrolling text. So we're going to put a Z, a capital Z in there. So that would be the key that we press to enable that action to go. So I'm just going to press the Z and it disappears, Z again, and it will appear. That's how easy it is to create a scrolling text that can fade on and off your screen. And as I've mentioned, you can also use these same instructions to scroll your text vertically as well. If you like the contents of this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and click on the notifications button as well. This will inform you of all brand new content that I upload to my YouTube channel. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.